Hello friends, in this video we are going to write and learn very short speech on Nag Panchami. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. My name is Kavya Singh. Today I am going to speak about Nag Panchami. Nag Panchami is an important Hindu festival celebrated in the month of Shravan. On this day, people worship snakes with faith and devotion. They offer flowers, milk, and prayers to snake idols. People also visit temples and worship Lord Shiva. Snakes have a special place in Hindu mythology. This festival teaches us to respect nature and all living beings. We should always be kind to animals and protect nature. Thank you and happy Nag Panchami to everyone.